Hello South Africa. It is Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022 and here is news in a minute. Here we go. FlySafair put our 8 flight tickets on sale for Wednesday, May 4th. Following a 3-year hiatus, FlySafair has brought back its wildly popular Cheap Deals Day. Pre-pandemic, the domestic airline ran offers that allowed travelers to purchase flight tickets for as little as R4 and R5. Now, with the airspace above South Africa fully reopened, the beloved sales campaign is back with a bang. Granted, inflation and 2 years of lockdown have seen the offer rise in value. Bargain hunters will now have to fork out for our 8 flight tickets, but we're sure they can still find the change down the back of the sofa. We invite you to throw your sanity away, because tomorrow is going to get crazy. Keep an eye on our social media platforms and your email inbox for more info on our crazy R8 flight ticket sale, starting tomorrow at 9 o'clock. You'd be nuts to miss out. FlySafair. Thousands of our 8 flight tickets will go on sale tomorrow morning. However, not everyone who tries to get their hands on these ridiculously discounted airfares will succeed. Customers will be taken to a digital waiting room, where it really comes down to potluck in terms of who actually gets access to these mega deals. Demand has previously outweighed supply by tenfold in the past, but that won't stop cheap flight enthusiasts from chancing their arms on Wednesday morning. So far, only the essential details have been confirmed. FlySafair's popular Cheap Flights campaign returns for the first time since 2019. A total of 30,000 tickets, worth a miserly R8, will be up for grabs. The Crazy 8 sale officially begins at 9 o'clock on Wednesday, May 4th. With the airline now firing on all cylinders again, they've brought back silly season. We reported last week that FlySafair had a Crazy 8 up its sleeve, and interest reached fever pitch. Now we know exactly when it all kicks off. You can expect something of a free-for-all on their website tomorrow morning. May the odds be in your favor. FlySafair, at FlySafair. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.